Well, I have my Welding gas pedal bracket, so I'm just trying to get that pressed down there. I scraped this off a little bit to get a little bit of contact, and let's see if I can actually get this welded into place. I don't want to hit these. I don't want anything to hit the new brake line. So let's see what I can do. So I'll turn this one on. Hold this thing down. And that one, just like that. I just want to hold it down, get it securely in place there. I got two little holes there to so hopefully I won't blow through this. All right, I avoided any damage to this. As I said, I doing some stuff a little bit in the wrong order, but if I look at that, it looks like that. Let's see if on the bottom side, if it got some penetration. Should be two spots here. So you can see that's the penetration on the back side, so I think that should be good. So that should put my gas pedal right here, and it seems to be securely in place. All right, well that's the result here. So I put the pin in, and then you could probably knock that in just a little bit. All right, so the pin is there. This then eventually will connect to the throttle cable, and then there's another little bracket on the pedal assembly that will connect to. So hopefully I've done that correctly. Okay, pedal assembly's coming together. The brake works great. The gas is connected. I have to figure out what this left-hand one is for. Clutch is connected and works great. Now the thing that I realized I was missing is the clutch and brake stopping plate, which screws in right there, and I ordered one of those. Until then, I have the clutch strapped here, because otherwise it'll flop all the way down and disconnect from the clutch cable, which is inside there, and then I have to pull the whole thing back off again. So I'm going to leave this strapped here until I get my blocking plate for the pedals. And I have to also figure out, since I'm missing this little hold down tab right here for the long brake line, I have to sort of straighten this out and fasten it to the side. I think I only have one or two of the original hold down plates, so I may be able to either, I don't know if I want to weld something in there with the brake line there, because one little drop of steel will melt the aluminum So what I could do is maybe epoxy in some kind of a little hold down strap, you know, maybe 4 of them along here. Could epoxy them in and weight them down with something, and that'll hold. You know, it's not as good as the bend down clamp, which is then only temporary. So there's that. And yeah, that's the pedal assembly almost completed.